Hello children, welcome to JSH math class. We are solving the problems on some application of trigonometry. Exercise 12.1 problem number 10 I am taking now. It is from class 10 chapter 12. Come, let me solve the problem. Observe the problem given. Two poles of equal heights are standing opposite to each other. Two poles are there. Let me write first two poles. They are of having the same height. They are clearly given. Let you write this as AB and CD. These are two poles of equal height. Equal height means AB is equal to CD. It is clearly given on the either side of the road which is 80-meter wide. That means this total distance, how much it is, this total distance they are giving it as 80 meter. How much meter it is? 80 meter. That means BD they given, that is 80 meter. Let you write BD is equal to 80 meter. And what they are given next, 80 meter wide from the point between them on the road. The angle of elevation of the top of the poles are 60 degree and 30 degree respectively. Somewhere you consider this, it is first is the 60 degree one. So it is 60 degree. Let you write it as 60 degree. And the next is the 30 degree they are telling. It is 30 degree. Okay, one is 60 degree and the other is 30 degree. They are clearly given in that respectively. Find the height of the poles. What you have to calculate? AB and CD you have to calculate. Height of the poles and distance of point from the poles. That means the angle of elevation you have to calculate. This you consider it as O. You have to calculate BO and OD. You have to calculate BO and OD. This is what we have to solve in the problem. Let me solve according to the data what they are given. That data we have to use while solving the problem. Observe that the data we have to use, those two poles are equal. Using this concept only we can possible to solve. Observe here, what is this BO is there, no? This entire is 80 means what this exactly BO is becomes, if you consider it as this distance as x, so this should be 80 minus x, right? Let me write here. Suppose if we consider OD equal to x, then BO should be 80 minus x. If you want to write, otherwise generally we can write for that. Now consider the triangle for both. First you consider the triangle ABO. If you consider ABO here, tan 60 degree, let me consider tan 60 degree, it is equal to opposite. For this is opposite and this is the adjacent. So what it becomes? AB divided by what it is? BO. So according to the standard trigonometric ratio values, equilateral triangle, it is bisected, it is 60 degree, 1 to root 3. So tan 60 we have to write opposite by adjacent, that is root 3. Root 3 divided by AB is what we have to calculate, don't know. And BO is what? BO is what? It is 80 minus x. Let you write 80 minus, if you want to write it as x, or you write it as OD. Both are one and the same. Let me write it as x. So you cross multiply this. What will you get? Your AB equal to root 3 into 80 minus x. This is, you call it as equation number 1 for our convenient. This again we will use. Okay. Next, after this what we need to solve, you just go through it. You have one more triangle. Consider the triangle CDO. You have one more triangle CDO. In this you consider again tan 30. 30 degree is there here. So it is exactly opposite and the down is the adjacent one. So CDO if you consider, you want to write tan 30 degree. it is opposite by adjacent, right? So it is, you are going to write CD divided by OD, right? So tan 30 according to this standard trigonometric ratio, this is the 30-degree one. Opposite means this is 1 by root 3, opposite by adjacent. So tan 30 is 1 by root 3. It is equal to, what is your CD here? CD you have to calculate, it is the height. And OD is nothing but what we are considered it as x, because it is also in terms of x, you write it as x. So what is your CD? You just cross multiply this, you will get your CD value. Your CD value, it is equal to x by root 3, x by root 3. Your CD is equal to x by root 3. After getting these two values, observe clearly the data of the problem. What is the data? AB is equal to CD. So AB is equal to CD. AB equal to CD means we can definitely equate the RHS part. From 1 and 2, you can equate that. What you can equate? Root 3 80 minus x should be equal to x by root 3. So you can get your x. Your x is what actually? It is OD. Let you calculate now. Root 3, if you class multiply that, it becomes root 3 whole square into 80 minus x. It is equal to x. So root 3 whole square is nothing but 3 into 80 minus x. It is equal to x. So what will you get? 8 to 8 3s are 24. That is 240 minus 3x is equal to x. So 240 is equal to, shift your 3x to RHS spot, x plus 3x, it is equal to 4x. Let me take one more sheet to solve the continuation of that. For our convenient, now observe here, I am taking this, what we got, 240 we got, right? 240 equal to 4x we get. So you calculate your x, x is equal to 240 divided by 4 it is. So 4 ones are 4 6 are. So you will get your x is equal to 60. X is equal to 60 means what is your x here? Your x is OD. So observe here, OD is x. OD equal to 60 degree we got. So let you write OD. OD is equal to 60 meter it is, right? And we have to calculate what? BO. BO is what actually we written clearly. BO is 80 minus x. So let you solve this. BO is equal to 80 minus x. X is nothing but OD, right? So it is 80 minus 60. So what is your BO? BO is equal to 20 meter. So we got BO and OD. So splitted this part. Let me write now. What is your BO? BO is 60 you got, right? And OD. Let me check again. BO is what we got, it is 20, sorry. BO is 20 we got, and OD we got it as 60 degree. So these two we got, but we have to get AB and CD, that they are expected to calculate. AB and CD are of same height, right? They are given that it is equal, right? You calculate any one, you will get. CD is very simple to calculate. No, let me take CD only. CD is what actually we calculated, it is x by root 3. It is x by root 3. So simplify this. What will you get? Your CD is equal to x is 60 by root 3. Here the root 3 is there, so write it in the multiple form. 2 3s are 6, no? So 3 into 20 we can write. 23s are 60. Why we need to write 3? Root 3 is there in the denominator, so that if you write this as 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3 for our convenient, into 20 keep it as it is, divide by root 3. Root 3 get cancelled. So what left now? CD is equal to 20 root 3 meters. This is what actually the height of the pole. Heights are equal, they given. AB equal to CD, it is equal to 20 root 3 meter. And also the entire 80 meter apart from each pole, it is splitted into what? 60 meter and 20 meter. That's all our problem. Thank you.